about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Breakfast delivery. Welcome. Good morning, guys. So I got up, the dog's out, got breakfast going. I'm getting ready to put my makeup on, so this is my morning face. My mirror's right here, so I'm not really gonna be like looking at you guys face to face because this is the best I can do. But I will share with you my get ready with me routine. I still have a little bit of acne going on, some discoloration. So I'm not a beauty guru, okay? Not. So I just do what I can do. So I'm using this Smashbox at Photo Finish. This is my absolute favorite. I've been using it for years, but I was like out because I really didn't go out much in 2020. So I was kind of out of a lot of my good stuff last year, and I finally went and picked up all of my favorites. So I'm really happy to have some of my favorite. I usually like to let that soak in for a little bit. Haven't brushed my teeth yet because I like to get up, get going, eat breakfast, and then brush my teeth. I don't like to brush my teeth and then eat breakfast. That way my teeth feel cleaner for a little bit longer until lunchtime. Today's agenda is super busy, actually. We have my couch delivery, even though I'm not gonna be putting it in the living room yet. We're gonna be storing it in the big shop out back. I'm getting my couch delivery today. Super excited about that.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me.
So I have hooded eyes. They're not really that bad yet, but I know as I get older, they're gonna get worse. So like when you see that like I don't have much of like a crease and this kind of hangs over a little bit. Like I said, it's not horrible yet, but it is gonna get probably worse as I get older. So I always try to throw a dark shadow in my crease so I can kind of define it. I am not a makeup artist, but I just know what works for my eyes. My squinty little eyes, as I like to say. I'm always so jealous of my mom's eyes because she's really big, beautiful, deep set eyes. And like when she does her makeup, my sister as well, when they do their makeup, it looks so good, and she can do all kinds of like really fun, like cut crease and like all that stuff. And my eyes just aren't made like that. So I've kind of had to learn what works for me, what doesn't work for me. Smoky eye, it never worked for me. And my sister used to try to do that because she's a stylist and she likes cosmetology and she likes makeup and all that. When she used to try to do my makeup, it never worked out good. I always looked like I had a giant black eye. Oh, I'm using this Urban Decay 24/7, my favorite eyeliner, and it's in like carbon or whatever the black color is called. And I'm so 2005 because I still use black eyeliner on my waterline. So, you know how you used to make, I don't know if you did or not, you guys are probably nicer than me. I used to make fun of my mom because she was like so 80s with the big curly hair, which I do now, with scrunchies, which I do now. But like, I was like, you're stuck in the 80s, and here I am stuck in 2005 with my, you know, my dark emo, darkly lined eyes. But I feel like my eyes are not defined and totally naked if I don't have the black eyeliner on. And I love these. Benefit, they're real. I love this mascara. This is just like the tiny travel size, which works for me because I don't, you know, I wear makeup probably 2 or 3 times a week. I don't mind no makeup days because if I'm home and I'm not doing anything, I do try to wear makeup when I'm filming just because it just makes me feel better about myself. Not that I'm trying to impress anybody, but I like feeling good about myself, and when I feel good about myself, I want to film and I want to share. When I don't feel good about myself, I don't want to film and I don't want to share. So this last little bit is actually really funny. I'm using this Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color, but I'm using it as blush because I don't have any. So I just kind of do that. And I take this little blender blush. I'm gonna blend it in so I can have some color on my cheeks. Might have been too much color, but oh well. And I like to take, where is it's my favorite, it's Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. And I just take a dab because redheads need to be careful about bronzer because it can make our face look dirty. I'm just gonna take this is actually a Bare Minerals Full Flawless Face. I'm just gonna kind of blush everything out and blend, blend, and blend. And I'm not really a lipstick girl, but I kind of need it, so I'm just gonna put it on. And this is like Revlon, no, this is e.l.f. This is actually e.l.f. Sangria Starter. I got this for like $1. And my finished face. A new bump box in the mail. This is not sponsored. This is just something that I get for myself as a treat. I got this at Bambino. Balancing Face Mist, Rose Water and Cucumber. I love rose water sprays. Mom needs her beauty sleep, so I got a sleep mask, which will probably help in the hospital. This foot rubs, hands and foot massage ball, so that's pretty cool. And I thought this was really cute. It was a little sonogram frame, perfect since we just got a cute little picture of him last time that we went. And a relaxing bath soak infused with organic lavender, bergamot, and frankincense essential oils. So super excited about this box. This was a good one. Had a bunch of good things in it. And I like, I don't know, having a little treat to myself once a month. So this is actually the room that's going to become my husband's office. Right now he has a ton of equipment that he is storing for his work. But it's a pretty good size room in here. I'm going to make it look nice in here for him, but right now it looks kind of gross. I can understand why he doesn't want to come out here. But obviously he doesn't care if he's giving up his office space for the baby, but it's quiet out here. I think once we organize it and get it together, it's gonna look really, really good. And he really will actually enjoy having the space. And it's private back here. It's quiet in here. It's actually quite noisy outside right now because the rain is making road noise extra loud, but like I'm inside the garage right now and you really can't hear it. I guess he's going to be stubborn and not do any visible kicks, but he like has really been kicking really hard, but it's still really low. And I definitely saw my stomach jump. So I was like wanting to try and catch it on camera. My husband, or no one's felt him from the outside yet, or really seen him move around yet. But he's been kicking like crazy. I was just taking a little break and eating these little blueberry muffin bite things. They're so good. I'm really tired. Last night Sammy kept me up all night long. My husband is out of town for the week and honestly the next 3 weeks. So Sammy was just like trying to guard the house. So like every little noise he heard, he was up and barking and jumping around, and now he's sleeping all day and I can't sleep because I have work to do. And I don't mind saying when my husband is out of town because we have security and cameras and protection and things like that. So I'm not scared of saying that my husband's out of town. We're gonna miss him. Oh, he was out of town last week, and I want to show you guys the little baby outfits he brought home. He surprised me with 3 outfits for baby boy. He picked them out himself and they are so cute. So for right now we have his little clothes hanging up, and my husband picked out this cute little, it has like little dinosaurs. It's like a little seersucker, little romper, and it comes with little shoes. 3 months. And then he also picked out this guy, 3 to 6 months, little bow tie, little seersucker vest with a little nautical pocket square and bow tie. This, unfortunately, men, this was supposed to be a 3-piece set, but it only came with the shirt. Like this is attached, so it's not like this, each thing is separate. But it's still in clearance and I think it's super cute. And then I love this. This is a newborn. It came with a orange little hat, and then it came with this little crab. We're from Maryland, so it is absolutely perfect, and little pants. So I just love that he picked this out himself, these cute little outfits. He was excited to pick out some things for little babe. Oh yeah, I wanted to update you guys. We got this at, was it 5 Below last week? I think in one of my last vlogs. And this is so fun. It was so easy. I don't know, we've played it like 2 or 3 times already. Haven't been through all the cards yet, but it's just basically a card game for people who love movies. Like, it was really, really fun. So if you are like us and you like to play game night or whatever, yeah, go to 5 Below and get this. It was really fun. So I just had some tortellini, some air fryer meatballs, and I'm gonna eat that and edit this video. They're coming down for dinner. Edit this video, and I will see you guys later on in the week.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche.